back to Parens of the Dead.
The very
15th
episode.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
And this time we're going to roll the dice.
Roll the dice.
So yeah, let's write some tests.
Yeah. Sounds roll the dice. It sounds very exciting, and it's just more of the same stuff.
Yeah. It's just true. So testing. Rolling the dice. So how does this even look? I think I'm going to have to take a little look at something else because we have added dice here.
Mm-hmm.
And we haven't written any tests for these.
No.
So my suggestion is we add just one die to the test now.
Yeah, sure. And then what is rolling the dice? It's perhaps a good question. Mm-hmm. And that is basically to trigger a CSS animation. And the way we do this, or it is to produce a new face on the die
mm-hmm.
and to produce a CSS animation.
Yeah.
So we need an event that describes all the dice in the game. So there will have to be some dice going into the game.
Mm-hmm.
And then we want to see for each die what was its previous phase and what is its new phase.
Mm-hmm. And while you were explaining, I will comment this out. I just noticed that added dice in update game does nothing.
That's probably no good.
So
the game doesn't have dice.
The game does not currently have any dice. It just throws them away. So
of course, it didn't need them for anything.
Exactly. So let's do that first.
Yeah.
So if we have updated the game,
mm-hmm.
and there's currently none there, and then we do added dice, and the dice is it's a list of things that are added.
Yeah.
So we have ID die 0.
Yes.
Keyword.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It has faces
and current face. Yeah.
And current face. That's not really relevant for this test.
It's not.
So I'll add 2 dice. And I will check that we have dice.
And then please do me a favor.
Mm-hmm.
Just pick dice out from the game.
Yeah, exactly. We talked about this last time.
Yeah. You could even,
It's not really necessary when we do.
But at some point we'll add some stuff that will automatically. I don't know. It's just better.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So I'll have a die 0, looks like this, and a die 1.
Yeah. And why did you put them in a map?
I put them in a map so that they are easily updated.
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay. Here we go.
Just so people don't think I'm stupid. I know that, but maybe the people watching are stupid. I'm sorry. That wasn't a nice thing to say.
I think you've spoiled the. I'm the nice one.
Okay. No. I want to be the nice one for once.
You spoil that.
Okay, so I want to do a Social game. Yeah, I can type. And then here, I just want to do map. I just want to do this thing.
Mm-hmm.
Identity dice.
Mm-hmm.
And then into map.
Okay.
So that's fine. I don't think we need any more tests for this.
What if I want to add more dice?
Like if you already had, you pesky troublesome boy, adds dice where there are none.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to have some from before.
Yeah.
There are some.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
So I'll do this. Didn't work the way I wanted. What kind of hullabaloo is this? Isn't it? Okay. Dice.
Mm-hmm.
Die 2. I die 2.
Mm-hmm.
And now, of course, this will be missing. But it should look like that.
Mm-hmm.
It does not.
Agreed.
Please fix saw.
And I will do update.
Yeah, and then no. You can just erase it. You don't need the functional. So for this part, yeah.
We need a funnel.
Yes.
Like this, I think. Yeah.
But this part, I would have wanted to have like the Drake meme on screen. If you know what I mean.
I do know. Very nice. Okay.
So back to rolling dice.
Yes, I was writing some.
Now we know what it looks like in the game. So it's a map.
It's a map of dice, and we have die number 0.
Yeah, and then just die. Yeah.
So it's an ID.
Now you probably do need some faces.
Yes. I don't actually need. Yeah. Okay, I need faces.
You need faces because we're now going to use a seed to randomly select the next face.
That's true.
And then you need to know how many faces are there.
Yeah, exactly. So I will do like this. These are the faces for my tests.
I'm sure you'll live to regret that.
Okay. These are the faces for my test.
Yeah.
I will.
You can define
faces.
them as a def in the test.
Yes.
It's just the idea of using the wrong kind of data.
Mm-hmm.
I think is not. Yeah.
Agreed. I will filter.
When we get to the point where that will fail, it will be very. It will be a surprise and not a pleasant one.
So we have dice rolled.
Mm-hmm.
This is the event I'm going to make, and the dice rolled event needs to include a list of sort of dice roll events, and it would do die ID.
Yes.
Die 0.
And then
from 0.
Yeah. And 2.
2. Don't know. I'll do
just
six,
any
six,
number.
6.
Yeah. It's very unlikely.
Yeah. And you talked earlier about we have to do like the animation.
Yeah.
And we need, if we are rolling from and to the same die face, nothing will change unless we include something. So I suggest like a roll ID, which could be like the seed.
Yeah. Something for the client to latch on to us.
Yeah. And I'll change this current face to something else.
Yeah.
Okay. Good luck.
Okay. Thank you, Usa. So, okay. We're in reroll. And then...
Yeah, set the seed at the end. So I think it's in the middle
so
here.
It's going to be here. So, and then this will produce only one event.
Yes.
Yeah. I'll write it in line, but I have a sneaking suspicion we might, because this will be more code than the other stuff.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're going to do for die. Where are the dice? They're in the game.
Yep.
And I actually just want the vals from the game dice. So for each die, I'll have die ID.
Yeah, just ID on the die.
So why is it then die ID in here?
Because this is a roll.
Ooh. Yeah, that's a nice touch. And then we want current face on the die. And 2 is, so we need a seeded random.
Yeah, we have that in the initialize game function, I think.
Yes, it's this thing here.
Yeah.
And then you can do from that, you can do next int.
Yes.
Yeah. And then,
you have the code there, basically.
It's, Yeah. We can refactor later if needed. And then mod next int RNG. It's the exact same thing, but this would be technically more correct.
That's true. The best kind of correct.
It is. And roll ID, I don't know.
It's the seed.
The seed, yeah. So there's no seed because it's not been, it hasn't been
destructured.
Yeah. And that also goes for here. And now it didn't turn out to phase 66, but to phase 2.
Exactly.
And there we go.
So now we have the dice rolled event. Do we need... I'm not sure if it's necessary to create like one with several dice in it. I don't feel like it.
If we want to do that, we could just have 2 dice in this.
Yes,
here,
for sure.
and then call that a day.
Yeah, okay.
Just for the heck of it.
Just for the heck.
And then it goes from 2 to don't know.
Okay. Evaluate it.
It goes from 2 to 4.
Yeah. Okay, so now we know that works.
So that works.
So for this to actually do anything, we are going to have to actionize this event and implement it in the update game.
That sounds a lot like what the next episode will be about.
I agree.
Yeah. So let's write up a commit, and this is all we had time for today. It's a nice little feature.
We are very respectful of your time.
This is episode 15.
Congratulations on not writing episode.
Thank you. We will see you next week, and take care and bring lunch.
Cheerio.